Welcome back to my channel. This is the 10th video of our Spring Boot series. So in the series, we have already built an API which are integrated with the MySQL database. So we have this CRUD application of employee. Now if you see this code, we built and this API like create employee, retrieve employee, update and delete. Okay. Now before, what we were doing is we were testing using the Postman. Now what we were using creating this request, and then we were using this to test our APIs. Now what we are going to do, we are going to set up the Swagger. Now what is Swagger, why it is used? So it is you can see that I have added 4 points that it is used for API documentation and interactive UI for testing API. So we don't have to create this request. It will create by itself and it know the schemas and all. So it will know what fields we have to add and all. And it helps front-end developers understand API contract. So there will be different back-end developers, front-end developers. Back-end developers will build API. So to give the documentation to front-end developers, they have to provide something. So Swagger is helpful. It supports multiple response type and request schemas as well. So for JSON or protobuf and all that. Now, how we are going to add this? As we are using the Gradle, we will be adding this Gradle dependency. Now in build.gradle. So this is our build.gradle where we have added Lombok dependency, GP dependency and all. Now we will add our implementation. What is that? Spring Doc. We are going to add the uh, yeah, we have copied this and we will paste this here. Yes, we'll remove the extra string and we have to refresh this. So it will give us a dependency. So here if you see there are many dependencies. Now if I refresh it should get this open API dependency for documentation, that is Swagger. Now uh, this provides a Swagger UI to interact REST APIs we have already seen and automatically config Swagger when dependency is added. We don't need to add the additional configuration. Now we have to go to this. Now let's start our application. So it is still importing. Let's wait for this to import. So we just have to add the dependency, it will take care of it. So if you have like authentication and all, then you can create your custom bean for this also for open API, and you can use a config file for that. Yeah, so we haven't yet added the authorization authentication here. This is just a simple Spring Boot series. So I'll be integrating this with the React, and then we can start the new series for bigger application. Now if you see here, it should be coming this OpenAI, yes, Spring Doc. If you see all the dependencies related to it, it will download. Now I'll start this application, and where we have to go, we have to go on this. So our port is 8081. I'm using that, and I should be getting this. Now if I open, it should come once it starts. Let's wait for it to start. Then we will test our APIs. Here if you see, starting the application, default we haven't created any profile, so it is started at 8081. Okay, now let's wait. It is starting. Yes, started. Now let's refresh again. So we should be able to see the Swagger UI. It is loading. Yeah, so you can see these are our APIs. So as I explained, this is useful for the front end and also front end employees. I mean front end developers. Sorry, and these are our APIs which we can test. And here, if you see schemas, this is our schema: ID integer, name string, code integer. Also, if you have the default value, it will also show. Now let's see. We will retrieve. Okay, we will not pass anything, we'll just retrieve. If I click on try out here, this is optional, and if I execute, if you see, I'm getting this. So what are this? These are three employees in our DB. So as I already told in the previous video, we have already integrated this with SQL, this API. So these are there. Now I want to add one more, so I'll do create. So I'll click on tryout, and here this is the request body. Name I'll pass as Teja. I'll pass some code as 5, and we don't need to pass ID because I have added auto incremented, so I'll not pass. Not Now we will execute it. If you see ID 7 Teja. Now if I retrieve again, I will execute this and I can see Teja is coming. Now we will delete. What is the ID is 7 for Teja, and I have to click on try it out, and here I'll add 7 and execute. So deleted 200 response. Now I'll again retrieve this. I think this is right here. So you can see Teja. Fine. This is how we can test our API. So this is easy. Okay, this is a documentation which you can give to front end developers, or you can use it for your testing purpose instead of going to Postman and creating a request and all. You can do this. Yes. So in this way, in this video, we have set up the Swagger for our APIs. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated. Thank you.